Hey, tech enthusiasts, let's talk mobile. The world of mobile technology is more exciting than ever, and it's time to dive in. Smartphones and tablets have completely changed how we live, work, and play. They are our constant companions, helping us navigate through our daily routines with ease. Remember the days of clunky cell phones just for calls? Those bulky devices were once the pinnacle of technology, but they seem almost prehistoric now. Now, we carry mini computers in our pockets, connecting us to a world of information and entertainment. These sleek devices are powerful tools that fit right in the palm of our hands. From snapping stunning photos and videos to streaming movies and gaming on the go, our mobile devices offer endless possibilities. They are our cameras, our televisions, and our gaming consoles all rolled into one. Our mobile devices have become essential companions. Whether we're at home, in the office, or out and about, they are always by our side, ready to assist us in countless ways. They keep us connected with friends and family through social media, video calls, and instant messaging. No matter where we are, we can always stay in touch with the people who matter most. But hold on, it gets even more exciting. The thrill of unboxing a new smartphone or discovering a new feature never gets old. The world of mobile tech is constantly evolving, with new innovations popping up all the time. From foldable screens to 5G connectivity, the future is here, and it's incredible. Get ready to dive into the latest trends, explore cool gadgets, and uncover the magic of AI, which is making our devices smarter than ever before. With AI, our phones can now understand us better, predict our needs, and make our lives easier. Let's go. The smartphone market is fiercely competitive, with companies constantly pushing the boundaries of what these pocket rockets can do. We're talking lightning-fast processors, stunning displays, and cameras that rival professional DSLRs. One of the coolest trends is foldable phones. Imagine unfolding your smartphone to reveal a tablet-sized screen. Talk about immersive viewing experiences and multitasking power, and let's not forget about 5G connectivity. This super-fast network technology is changing the game, enabling blazing fast download speeds and seamless streaming. Get ready for a whole new level of mobile gaming and augmented reality experiences. Tablets have come a long way from being just big smartphones. These versatile devices are perfect for both work and play, offering larger screens for immersive entertainment and enhanced productivity. Want to binge-watch your favorite shows, sketch your next masterpiece, or attend a video conference? Tablets have got you covered. Plus, with their long battery life, you can stay entertained and productive for hours on the go. Many tablets come with optional keyboards and styluses, transforming them into portable workstations. Whether you're a student, a creative professional, or just need a bigger screen for everyday tasks, tablets offer the perfect blend of portability and power. Let's face it, our mobile devices are awesome on their own, but the right accessories can take them to the next level. From protective cases and screen protectors to wireless headphones and portable power banks, there's a whole world of gadgets designed to enhance your mobile experience. Speaking of audio, a good pair of wireless earbuds is a must-have for any mobile enthusiast. They offer freedom from tangled wires and deliver high-quality sound. Whether you're jamming out to your favorite tunes or taking calls on the go, wireless earbuds provide convenience and clarity. Quality audio can make a world of difference, transforming your daily commute or workout into an enjoyable experience. And don't forget about portable power banks. These handy devices are essential for anyone who relies on their mobile gadgets throughout the day. These lifesavers ensure that you're never caught with a dead battery, especially during critical moments. Keeping you powered up and connected wherever you go, portable power banks are a must-have for travelers, busy professionals, and students alike. They provide peace of mind, knowing that your devices will always have the juice they need to keep you connected and productive. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a futuristic concept. It's already deeply integrated into our mobile devices, making them smarter and more intuitive than ever before. Think about voice assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa. They use AI to understand your commands, answer your questions, and even control your smart home devices. But AI goes beyond voice assistants. It's used in everything from camera apps that enhance your photos to predictive text that speeds up your typing. AI is constantly learning and adapting to your usage patterns, making your mobile experience more personalized and efficient. Remember when you needed a bulky DSLR camera to capture high-quality photos and videos? Those days are long gone, thanks to the incredible cameras packed into our smartphones. We're talking multiple lenses for wide-angle shots and telephoto zoom, portrait modes that blur the background for professional-looking portraits, and night modes that brighten up even the darkest scenes. And let's not forget about video recording. Many smartphones can now shoot in stunning 4K resolution, and some even offer slow motion and time-lapse features that were once limited to professional cameras. Mobile gaming has exploded in popularity, and for good reason. With powerful processors, stunning graphics, and access to millions of games, our smartphones and tablets have become portable gaming consoles. From casual puzzle games to immersive role-playing adventures, there's a mobile game out there for everyone. And with the rise of cloud gaming services, you can even stream console-quality games directly to your mobile device. Many games also offer social features, allowing you to connect and play with friends and family online. So gather your crew, choose your weapons, and get ready to game on the go. Remember when foldable phones and 5G connectivity were just rumors? It wasn't too long ago that these concepts seemed like distant dreams, the stuff of tech enthusiasts' imaginations. Well, the future is here. We are now living in an era where these once far-fetched ideas have become a reality, transforming the way we interact with technology. Foldable phones are pushing the boundaries of smartphone design, offering larger, more immersive displays that fold down to a pocketable size. These innovative devices are not just about aesthetics, they provide a new level of functionality and versatility. And with 5G networks rolling out globally, we're experiencing mobile internet speeds like never before. Download movies in seconds, share high-resolution photos instantly, and enjoy real-time communication without any lag. Stream high-definition videos without buffering, even in crowded areas, and enjoy a seamless viewing experience that keeps up with your on-the-go lifestyle. And get ready for the next generation of mobile gaming and augmented reality experiences. With 5G, games are more responsive, graphics are more detailed, and AR applications are more immersive than ever before. The combination of foldable devices and 5G connectivity is set to revolutionize the way we work, play, and connect with the world around us. Imagine collaborating on projects with colleagues in real time or sharing moments with friends and family as if they were right there with you. Get ready for a future of seamless mobile experiences that were once the stuff of science fiction. The possibilities are endless, and the journey has just begun. Embrace the future, and see how these advancements will enhance every aspect of your daily life. As much as we love our mobile devices, it's important to be mindful of their environmental impact. The production and disposal of electronic devices can have a significant carbon footprint, but there are steps we can take to be more eco-conscious mobile users. Consider holding onto your devices for longer periods before upgrading to reduce electronic waste. When it's time to upgrade, explore trade-in programs or responsible recycling options. Many manufacturers are also focusing on sustainability by using recycled materials in their devices and packaging. By making conscious choices, we can enjoy the latest mobile technology while minimizing our environmental impact. Get ready for the metaverse. This immersive digital world powered by virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, is rapidly evolving, and our mobile devices are the key to unlocking its potential. VR headsets can transport you to virtual worlds, where you can play games, attend concerts, and even connect with friends and family in virtual spaces. AR, on the other hand, overlays digital objects onto the real world through your smartphone or tablet's camera. Imagine trying on clothes virtually before you buy them, seeing how furniture would look in your living room using AR apps, or even playing games that interact with your real-world surroundings. The possibilities are endless. The world of mobile technology is constantly evolving, with new innovations emerging all the time. From foldable phones and 5G connectivity to the rise of AI and the metaverse, the future of mobile is incredibly exciting. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more powerful, intuitive, and immersive mobile experiences. Our smartphones and tablets will continue to be our constant companions, connecting us to the world around us in ways we never thought possible. So stay curious, embrace the latest tech, and get ready for a future where the power of mobile technology is truly limitless.
I can let it go. Just let it go. I can let it go.